In a peaceful green forest lived a slow tortoise and a very fast hare.
Look at you, barely moving! I could do this all day, Slowpoke!
I know.
One day, the tortoise challenged the hare to a race. I can't believe it!
Look at that!
This is unexpected! So funny!
He really did that!
The race began with great excitement.
The hare ran very fast and quickly disappeared ahead. The tortoise moved slowly, but never stopped. Feeling overconfident, the hare decided to take a nap. While the hare slept, the tortoise kept moving forward. Slowly but steadily, the tortoise crossed the finish line first.
Oh no! I won fair and square.
And the forest learned year. Slow and steady wins the race.